Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations today with the Creative Notions box. Now it came in the mail like this. I opened it up, not sure that it was in something else, so that's what it looks like. And it is the December 2024 number 6 subscription box. We're going to get it open here. It's got some pink tissue paper, just like this right here. I can do it without spilling all the contents. Pink paper. Okay, let's turn it around. And it says, "Be My Valentine, Creative Notions December box." Here's what it looks like. That is adorable. I got a glare over here off of that light. Let's see what we got in the box. Let's see. It says, "Introducing Love Struck, our latest quilt that's strutting its stuff in the dreamy new fabric line called Audrey from Clothworks. Your kit is packed with everything you need for the top and the binding. There's enough fabric in the kit to put a 2.5-inch border on your quilt prior to binding it. Don't miss the heartfelt or adorable mini project featuring a love letter with hearts soaring out like confetti. This kit comes with the pattern and the fabric to whip up the top and the binding. And let's not forget our new topper from Ackland Wire, a delightful roll of hearts ready to jazz up our wire stand. It is a perfect companion for your heartfelt mini quilt. A simple wreath you will make with Valentine-themed fabrics is sure to adorn your home with color and fun this holiday season." I was looking at the word winners and saying holiday season at the same time. So the winners for December are, the project winner is Gloria, I think it's Einors, if you don't pronounce the K. Scrap Plastic winner is Barbara Chapman, and a participation winner is Vanessa Ellis. Here are the ladies' names. Congratulations, ladies. And let's see what we got here. So here is, oh my gosh, I like this. So first we have it in its own little packaging, and it is called Love Struck. It's going to be 47.5 by 51. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Look at that with the hearts. Oh my gosh, that looks really, really good. Let's see here. You're going to have, when you get it together, you will combine 9 actual squares. It is 2 pages. Well, actually, yeah, 2.5 pages for the project, which is not bad. Let's set that aside. Let's see what else we have. We have cute little project. Oh, that is for, nope, that's not what it's for. Oh, it must be for, and I'm guessing now because I haven't looked at it yet. I want to think this is the, I think it's, I'm at a disadvantage because I'm not sure if this is the fabric for it. Let me get it out of here. I think it's for this. I was thinking it was for the Valentine wreath, but I could be wrong. Wait a minute, let's see what it is. Oh, it looks like a little panel. Oh my gosh. No, it's not a panel. It just so happens it's cut like this. Look at this strip here. Oh my gosh, X's and O's. Open this one up. That fabric. And then we have, the real big flowers. Some butterflies in pink. And some hearts, and this is in cream. And like I said, the outside of that package says, oops, I've lost my packaging. Cute little project. You can see that. Here is the the reef. So that this cute little project fabric is for the reef. That's what it looks like, the little reef does. And here's the Valentine wreath that you make with it. Right there. So you're going to cut your fabrics into 42 5-inch squares. Nope, wait a minute. I'm getting ahead of myself. Hold on. This is the, let me see. It says it's an 8-inch reef form. So that's what this is. This is 8 inches around, believe it or not. You're going to use a charm pack, or you're going to cut 42 5-inch squares. So you'll use a charm pack if you've got it. And then you're going to cut those squares and you're going to stack them up, and you're going to stack them into 1 by 5 strips until all the strips are cut in. Until all the stack is into strips. So this is where the strips come in right here. If you take a close look, those are each strips. And you're going to tie them on. I do believe, I've never made it before, but I have seen it. So let me show you here in the picture, if you can see this picture right here. See how they tied that on the edge? That's what you're going to do with all your strips. And that's how you end up with the final product like that. It'll give you the step-by-step directions on how to do that. Now for, let's see if this is it. And then the fabric, here is for the heart here. Oops, I'm losing my heart. So for this pattern, Love Struck, here's gray. This is a real pretty gray too. Gray fabric for your background. If you need to change that up, you feel like you don't like gray, but I do like gray. And they gave you 2 charm packs for it, which is, can I get it undone or is it too tight? I don't ever know. So take a look to see. All right, here is the charm packs. That right there on the top is a beautiful little color. And there are no colors on the back, or I would have shown you the color palette. So there's that. You got 2 of them, a gray one, 2 gray ones. Nope, actually more than 2. There's a real pretty color. That's a really pretty color. I like it when it's gray and pink and white. Here's another one. There's a light gray. That's a pretty little color right there. Trying to get it off my hands. And there are between 2 and 3 of each of these colors, by the way. That's going to be a beautiful heart quilt. Look at these stripes. There's a real pretty pink, sort of a washed out color of pink. There's a gray, just like that pink with the squares, gingham, a lighter gray, some white polka dots with gray, or they're actually gray polka dots with white polka dots on pink, and then white polka dots on gray. So you have 2 charm packs of that color. Let's set that aside. And then we have our heartfelt. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because this is the Make It Mini December. Let me show you the picture of it. And this goes on our little holder. And then they have given us a top, excuse me, a top to our holder with the little hearts all on it, which I will be taking to work because they just started decorating. And I said, what are you guys doing? It's not even the end of January yet. And they're all going, no, it's time to be decorating for February. And of course, one of the girls said, are you making something for this little holder right here? I said, yes. And believe it or not, I did have something in mind, which I got out on the other table. And I don't have any kind of templates for hearts. All I have are the rulers for free motion quilting that were hearts, and I was going to create hearts out of that. I'd already pulled out some fabric and everything, and now I don't need to do it because I get to do this little project, and all the fabric comes with it. So thanks, Creative Notions. This is wonderful. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Oh, wait a minute. I'm not even finished. Hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. Here we go. We have the mystery quilt for 2024, a 74 by 88. And then we have our mystery block number 12, which is Road to Oklahoma. And then we have the mystery block number 13. And these are 12 by 12 and a half inch, or 12 and a half inch finished blocks. I'm looking for the name of that block. It's not even telling me the name of it. Mystery quilt block 13 is all it says. And I don't know the name. So if you guys know the name of that block, by all means, give me a shout out and tell me what it is, because I do not know the name of this block. Although it does look familiar, I should know it. I just don't see it anywhere listed on here. Okay, now that's the end of the box. So I'll lay it all out here to see what we all got. If you got this box, we'll take a look at it. It's all laid out here on the table for you to see. Hopefully that glare isn't too bad on that. I like that little craft holder top. I seem to have fumbled up with my words today. There's the reef. There's the two mystery blocks. Back up a little bit. I'm fighting a dog on the floor at the moment. He seems to want my space. But I'm going to make that little heartfelt mini December. As soon as I get finished with this video, I'm making that, so I can take that to work on Monday. I hope you all enjoyed this box. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to make a comment about it, by all means, let me know what you think about it, okay? And welcome to everybody. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that little button and that bell to get notifications. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.